about it. Okay. Y'all keep changing the mode. I actually have so mad. I'm extra camera.
Are we going to sing?
Because it's,
T, shall we sing?
did you know that? Yeah, I did.
I've been video recording, but I've had it sideways and upside down. T, I need a little smile for the proper video recording. T?
All right.
Cool. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Thomas. Happy birthday to you. What the? Come on, T.
T-Bone.
Come on.
T-Bone, hurry.
T, would you... T, you're going to burn the house down. Come on.
Come on, you can do it. What else suckers up?
Come on. All right, no cake for us.
Come on, T, this video is going to be on YouTube in about 5 minutes.
No cake for us.
Yay! No! Yay! 3 hours later.
Is that dynamite?
They're magic candles. They never go out. Getting lighter. Smoke alarm. Oh my God, they're all coming. How do you get them to laugh? I don't know. They're kind of scary.
Those are weird. Those are weird.
No, I think you put water on them.
And Thomas almost finally gets the candles out.
Now, what'd you do with this, Audrey?